Hello people, welcome back to my channel Sheikh Rides. Today we are at Kirti Triumph showroom in Bengaluru because Triumph has launched its newly inline 3-cylinder segment 660cc Trident, which you can see here right here in the showroom. Today it's going to be a detailed walk around. We'll talk about the specs, the engine specifications, the colors available, the price, and so if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Let's see what's in the store. Bye. So this is a 120 by 80 segment tire, 17-inch wheel. You get this 310 mm twin disc both the sides, and this also gets ABS, and the brakes are from the Nissin, and the suspension duties are taken care by Showa suspension. These are the 41 mm upside down forks. At the front you get this full LED setup, so you also get the DRLs in this. I'll just turn on the light for you. You can see these are the DRLs, and that's a full LED setup. These are the very beautiful looking indicators. This is a huge radiator here. This is a liquid cooled, and this is a good looking tank. This is a 14 liters of tank, and if you're considering the mileage of 15 to 20 in the city, you should still get a decent range. In the highways, if you're considering at the 20, you still get somewhere around 250 to 300 kilometers of range. So that's one positive point of here. Coming to your engine, this is a liquid cooled 12 valve DOHC inline 3-cylinder. This is of 660cc displacement. So this generates 80 bhp of power at 10,250 rpm and 64 Nm of torque at 6,250 rpm. So the company claims that 90% of the torque is available throughout the rev range. So your mid-range, your low end should be very good, and you can also explore its potential in the highways. And the maximum speed, I can say 200 plus, is what the company claims. So the engine wise, this is an inline 3-cylinder. This looks so good. I mean, once we do a test ride, we can say more about this. But specification wise, this is a very neatly done job. And this comes with 6 gears. It also gets with a slipper clutch, throttle bar wear, and you get 2 different modes. That's rain and road mode, and you also get traction control. So all these equipped with the beautiful features. Coming to your seat, this looks a very aesthetic designed seat. More room for pillion also. You get this grab rails. Coming at the back, you get this full LED at the back, and at the back you have this huge tire. This is 17-inch wheels, so 180 by 55 dimensions. So with the 255 mm disc brake with the Nissin, and you also get the ABS. This is the leaf swing arm. So that's about the tires, the brakes, the seat, the tank, and the light, suspensions. The back you get this preload adjustable mono suspension at the back, and the specifications are with the Triumph standards. I mean, no doubt on that. And this is a chain drive. It's a liquid cooled basically. Let's go to the instrument cluster now. So this is a wide handlebar, and this is your switches to console your digital meter. So let's turn on this ignition, comes to life. But this gets your general tachometer, speedometer. Then you get trip 1 information, also the average speed. Then once you get into this, trip 2 information. This is your fuel status. This is your temperature information. That's your date information. That's your display light information. You can increase this or decrease this. Then that's your date information. That's a main menu. Once you get into main menu, you get the riding modes. If you go to the right, you get rain mode and road mode. These are the two modes you get. Again, you can set it back to the reset defaults. Then you can do a bike setup here. This gives you indicators. So basically, you can customize the indicators how they do, whether you want manually or if you want automatic ones. Then if you come down, that's your trip setup for information, trip 1, trip 2. That would be display settings. Then that will be a reset to defaults. So this is equipped with most of the technical features like throttle wear. You also get slipper clutch. You have modes. So most of the features of what Superbike gets, and this is fully digitalized console meter. And this is these are the switches to toggle, and these are simple start and stop kill switch. This is a master cylinder. There's a Triumph logo here. And let's start and see how this beast sounds. So you can feel that inline 3-cylinder working actually. The sound looks so good, so rumbling and so grunty. Coming to its dimensions, it weighs around 189 kilos, curve weight, that's wet white, and the tank capacity is of 14 liters. The wheelbase is of 1407 mm and the seat height is of 805 mm. That's an important one because that's gonna help most of the riders for all different sizes. So that's about the dimensions, and you can see on the screen. So that's the video, guys. I mean, if you're looking for an inline 3-cylinder segment, I think you can start with this because this is the most affordable bike available currently in India until unless Benelli arrives. But in terms of features and looks, this has got a thumbs up, definitely. So this is priced at 6.95 ex-showroom in Bangalore. The on-road price will be somewhere around 9 lakhs in Bangalore. The price may vary in different states. And so the price, if you ask me about the price, a big thumbs up. Killer price. Triumph has done the right job since they made this more affordable. You know, many people can jump into from the 500cc segment to your middleweight segment, that's your 650 to 750 segment. And this is a good bike to start your Superbike adventures. What all you get in this price, if you ask me? Benelli, that's 600i, but that bike is yet to come with updates, 2021 updates. But till then, this bike is what we have. We also get Honda CV650R, but that's pretty much costly. We also have a Kawasaki Z650, but that's a little underpower, and it's almost similar price of 60 to 70,000 is the difference. But if I were to take, I would have gone for this bike. You get 3 different colors in this. In layman terms, I'll tell you simple, it's a grey, black and white. The actual colors I'll display on the screen with the price. So the starting model 6.95 is what they say. So that's the video, guys. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. And this is Sheikh and I'm signing off. I'll see you in my next video.